If you guys love the original Swiss Beauty concealer formula, then this video is perfect for you because Swiss Beauty has came up with their new line Swiss Beauty Select, where they have launched their new concealers. They have couple of shades, but trust me, it was so hard finding the shade online, so I got two shades based on the description they have given, and I wanted to do a whole review on that based on the like the shades that I've got, how it works on my skin, and also I wanted to compare the original formula with the new one, which one is better, because the new one definitely is priced higher. It's around 400ish something. So yes, I will be comparing that. And also I'm currently wearing both the concealer right now. One side has Swiss Beauty original formula and another side has the Swiss Beauty new formula. So yes, I will be comparing that. Also, if you are new to my channel, hi, it's me Pragya, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like my content. So yes, let's just get moving. So this is the Swiss Beauty Select High On Cover Liquid Concealer. It claims to be full coverage, lightweight texture, crease resistant formula, which is a big claim, like crease resistant, because we mostly face a lot of creases underneath our eyes whenever we apply concealer. And it says that it's very full coverage yet very light texture formula. And from the new collection, I have got the shade 2.5 and 3.0. 2.5 is for medium to dusky skin, and whereas 3.0 is for dusky skin. And also I will compare with my OG concealer, which is my ELF Chemo concealer. I love that concealer a lot, so I will be comparing with that as well. Now, one of my favorite hydrating concealer is from ELF. It is a Hydro Camo concealer. This has been my favorite, and it's my third concealer I have repurchased so much, and it's in the shade medium sand, and it works perfectly as a concealing and highlighting shade. The shade looks like, as you can see, it's like the perfect color underneath my eyes. And this is the Swiss Beauty concealer in 04 from their original version, and it's in the shade medium beige, and this also worked very well for me by itself. And this ones does oxidize, so if you will notice it, the color will change after some time. Now I have a brightening concealer shade also from Swiss Beauty. It's in 03. I'll just put it here so that you can understand. So as you can see, it's very brightening and it's yellow undertone, so it's very brightening compared to the concealer, but I just have got this just for brightening up my under eyes. Now this is 2.5 from Swiss Beauty Select, the new one, and this is 3.0. Now this is very yellow compared to all the shades that I have. So in case you guys are wondering, they definitely do oxidize a little bit. Now my actual go-to shade is this one from ELF. It's like my perfect concealer shade. This 2.5 is the closest match with my ELF Chemo concealer after it has like oxidized for a little bit. I'll just put a swatch on top of each so that you can understand. And this is 2.5. So yes, 2.5 would be great for medium skin tone. If you're NC40, NC37 to NC40, this one would be a great match for you, this 2.5. Now let's just put this Swiss Beauty concealer on test. I'll use the 041 on this side. I want to compare the formula. I personally feel the newer version of this Swiss Beauty concealer is more liquidy, whereas the older version of the Swiss Beauty concealer is more on the creamy side, but again lightweight. Go ahead and start blending the older version. I'm using a different sponge as well. The older version was also very full coverage on one go. It's been some time, and now I will blend it out. Wow. I like the shade 2.5. It's actually my perfect concealer shade. Which it's very hydrating, very lightweight. I don't feel like I have anything on this side of my face. And also the best part is that it just makes my skin look very glowy, very reflective, very natural. Now to spot conceal, let me use the shade 3.0 as I have it. And also some acne marks over here on my scars and dark spots. I feel it gives me medium coverage. So let's apply second coat just on one side because I was testing out this side only. We'll see if it creases now. Like, I really want that claim to be true where it doesn't crease. So it's been a hot minute that I have been shooting some shots, doing my makeup, changing my dress, and I definitely don't see any creasing as of now. Like, I have laid two times in front of you guys. Now, I personally feel that Swiss Beauty has nailed it, but let me go ahead and set it because I cannot stay without setting my under eyes. So I'll just use a light loose powder. This is from Miss Claire, and I really like it because now I definitely love these Swiss Beauty Select high on cover concealers. Like, they are amazing, and also the best part is that they are actually very light on your skin. They have a very runny lightweight texture. Like, if you actually keep it like this and just do it, it may actually fall. But the coverage wise, I would say they are medium to full coverage. With initial application you might get a medium coverage, and with layering it up you will get full coverage. Now, as the formula is very lightweight, you can easily layer it up and it will not crease, and it didn't crease underneath my skin. And if you have more mature skin and fine lines, then I'm not sure that whether it will crease or not, because then I will not be the right person to demo that. That's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then.